Spilling coffee in the car is something that can happen to anyone, whether you are rushing to work, driving over a bump, or just not paying attention for a moment. Sadly, those dark stains can make your car seats look dirty and old. Express Interior Car Cleaner effectively eliminates coffee stains from car seats by quickly breaking down odors and stains for a fresh, clean interior. To clean coffee stains from a car seat, first sprinkle Express Interior Car Cleaner generously onto the affected area. Then gently blot and clean the seat to remove the stain and odor. Next, scrub the car interior seat gently with a soft sponge to lift the stain and dirt. Be careful not to damage the fabric while working the cleaner into the seat. Finally, wipe the area thoroughly with a microfiber cloth to remove any remaining cleaner and moisture, leaving the seat clean and fresh. Next, spray the interior cleaner onto a toothbrush and use it to carefully clean the corners and gaps of the seats. This helps remove dirt and grime from hard-to-reach areas for a thorough clean. After cleaning the corners with the toothbrush, wipe the area clean using a microfiber cloth. Then, use the blowgun to thoroughly dry the cleaned areas, removing any remaining moisture and preventing mold. You can see the car seat is clean and all stains and smells are completely removed. Soapy water helps clean coffee stains from car seats by lifting stains and neutralizing odors through gentle yet effective cleaning action. To clean the stain from a car seat, mix soapy water in the tub. Then, use a sponge dipped in the soapy water to clean the car seat thoroughly. Next, thoroughly apply the soapy water mixture onto the car seat using a sponge or cloth, ensuring that the entire surface is evenly covered to help lift dirt and eliminate odors. Then, scrub these areas gently using a toothbrush to reach into the seams and cracks. This helps remove stubborn dirt and grime that the sponge might miss. Next, wipe the area with a clean microfiber cloth to remove the soapy residue. This will help dry the seat and leave it fresh and clean. Trim cleaner helps remove coffee stains from car seats by cleaning and restoring interior surfaces while eliminating odors and stains. First, spray the trim cleaner on the car seat to remove the coffee stains. Then, sprinkle some cleaner on a soft brush and scrub the seat gently for about 10 minutes. Next, spray the trim cleaner again on the seat to remove any remaining dirt. Scrub the seat with the sponge for another 10 to 15 minutes to clean it fully. After that, spray leather cleaner onto a microfiber cloth and wipe the seat gently for 15 minutes. You will see that your car seat is clean, fresh, and free of stain. The Shark Stain Striker portable carpet and seat cleaner effectively removes tough stains and odors from car seats with powerful deep cleaning action. To clean coffee stains from a car seat, use a Shark Steam Striker for effective deep cleaning. The steam helps to sanitize the fabric and break down stubborn stains and odors. Simply direct the steam onto the affected area, allowing it to penetrate and lift the stain residue. After steaming, you may notice dirty liquid residue being collected, which helps remove loosened dirt and moisture, leaving the seat fresh and odor-free. Chemical Guy's leather cleaner safely cleans coffee stains from car seats, effectively removing dirt and grime without causing damage. To clean a car seat, first spray Chemical Guy's leather cleaner directly onto the seat to help remove the coffee stains, dirt, and residue. Then, gently scrub the seat with a soft brush for about 10 to 15 minutes. Be careful not to scrub too hard, as this can damage the car seat. Next, use a microfiber cloth to wipe away all the loosened dirt and cleaner. After that, apply a small amount of leather conditioner to a soft sponge and gently spread it over the seat. This helps keep the leather soft, protected, and looking like new. Finally, wipe the seat again with a clean microfiber cloth to remove any excess conditioner. Your car seat should now be clean, fresh-smelling, and well-conditioned. Ultra Pro Leather Cleaner gently removes dirt and coffee stains without damaging the seat. To clean stains from car seats, start by sprinkling Ultra Pro Leather Cleaner evenly onto the seat to loosen dirt and residue. Allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes so the cleaner can dissolve the grime. You may notice it beginning to work during this time. Next, use a soft brush to scrub the seat gently for about 10 minutes, focusing on the perforations. It helps keep your car seat soft, clean, and looking like new. Sprinkle some additional cleaner onto the brush and apply it again to the seat to remove any remaining dirt, then scrub for another 10 minutes. After scrubbing, wipe the seat thoroughly with a microfiber cloth to remove dirt and cleaner residue. To further clean the seat, lightly sprinkle vinegar onto the seat and scrub gently with the brush once more. Finally, wipe the seat again with a clean microfiber cloth to remove all residue. This method is highly effective at removing dirt and grime, leaving your car seats clean and shiny. So, by applying these effective methods and products, you can remove coffee stains from car seats.